Meow. Lesson 27. Professor Whiskers here with a practical lesson. You have learned actions and time expressions. Now you need to learn the things you use every day. Your personal objects, your phone, your keys, your wallet, your bag, your laptop, your charger. These are things you carry, the things you touch constantly, the things you panic when you lose. Where are my keys? I can't find my phone. I forgot my wallet. Today we learn personal objects and technology vocabulary. By the end of this lesson, you can name the things you own. You can say what you need, what you lost, what you forgot. Let us learn your everyday objects. First category, things you carry every day, in your pocket or bag. Personal items you carry, phone or mobile phone or cell phone. Your phone is probably with you right now for calls, messages, internet, keys. Keys open doors. Your house key, your car key. Do not lose them. Wallet. Wallet holds money and cards. Small folder for cash. Very important. Bag. Or purse. Or backpack. Bag is general. Purse is usually smaller for women often. Backpack goes on your back. Watch. Watch tells time. You wear it on your wrist. Glasses. Or sunglasses. Glasses help you see. Sunglasses protect from sun. Umbrella. Umbrella protects from rain. You open it when it rains. Practice sentences. I cannot find my phone. Where are my keys? I left my wallet at home. She carries a big bag. He wears a watch. I need my glasses to read. It is raining. I need my umbrella. Important phrases. I lost my phone means your phone is missing. I forgot my keys means you left them somewhere. Do you have your wallet? Asking if someone brought it. Cats do not carry wallets. We do not have pockets. But we understand the concept. Second category, technology items. Modern essentials you use daily. Technology vocabulary. Computer. Or laptop. Computer is for work, internet, everything. Laptop is portable computer, tablet, or iPad. Tablet is like big phone or small computer. Touchscreen device. Charger. Charger gives power to devices. Phone charger. Laptop charger. Essential item. Cable or cord. Cable connects devices. Charging cable. USB cable. Headphones or earphones or earbuds. Headphones let you listen privately, over ears or in ears. Mouse. Mouse controls computer. You click and move it. Keyboard. Keyboard is for typing, has all the letters and numbers. Practice sentences. I'm working on my computer. My laptop is in my bag. Where is my phone charger? I need a charging cable. I'm listening to music with headphones. The mouse is not working. I am typing on the keyboard. Technology phrases. Charger phone. Give it power. My battery is dead. Means no power left. Turn on the computer. Start it. Plug in the charger. Connect it. The Wi-Fi is not working. Internet problem. Now let us learn verbs you use with these objects. Actions with objects. Common verbs with objects. Use I use my phone every day. Need. I need my keys. Have. Do you have a pen? Carry. I carry my wallet everywhere. Lose. I lost my keys. Very common problem. Forget. I forgot my phone at home. Find. I cannot find my glasses. Charge. I need to charge my laptop. Plug in. Plug in the charger. Turn on. Turn on the computer. Turn off. Turn off your phone. Practice sentences. I use my computer for work. I need my phone charger. Do you have your keys? I always carry my wallet. I lost my umbrella yesterday. I forgot my laptop at home. I cannot find my headphones. Charge your phone before we leave. Plug in your computer. Turn off your tablet. Questions with objects. Where is my phone? Common question when you lose something. Do you have a charger? Asking to borrow. Can I use your computer? Asking permission. Did you bring your laptop? Checking if someone has it. Now let us practice describing objects using adjectives you learned. Adjectives with objects. New phone. Old computer. Big bag. Small wallet. Heavy laptop. Light tablet. Expensive watch. Cheap phone. Fast computer. Slow laptop. Black phone. White headphones. My new phone is fast. His old computer is slow. She has a big bag. That is an expensive watch. My laptop is too heavy. I like these white headphones. Possessive with objects. My phone. Your keys. His wallet. Her bag. This is my phone. Is this your wallet? That is his laptop. These are her keys. Questions about ownership. Whose phone is this? It is mine. Whose keys are these? They are John's. Is this your bag? Yes, it is mine. Is that her computer? Yes, it is hers. Let us learn phrases for common problems with objects. Problem phrases. I cannot find my keys. Lost something. I lost my phone. Missing completely. I forgot my wallet at home. Left it somewhere. My battery is dead. No power. My phone is not working. Not functioning. I need a charger. Need to charge something. My laptop is broken. Not working at all. Solution phrases. Did you check your bag? Suggesting where to look. Maybe you left it at home. Possibility. You can use my charger. Offering help. Let us call your phone. Way to find it. Charge it for 30 minutes. Solution for dead battery. Practice conversations. Person A. I cannot find my keys. Person B. Did you check your bag? Person A. Yes, they are not there. Person B. Maybe you left them at home. Person A. My phone battery is dead. Person B. You can use my charger. Person A. Thanks. Do you have a cable too? Person B. Yes. Here you go. Cats are good at finding lost things. We notice everything, but we do not always tell you where things are. Homework time. Task 1. Look at the things in your bag or pockets right now. Name 5 objects in English out loud. Example: I have my phone. I have my keys. I have my wallet. I have my headphones. I have a pen. Task 2. Write 5 sentences about technology you use. Example: I use my laptop for work. I charge my phone every night. I listen to music with headphones. I carry my tablet in my bag. I need a new charger. Task 3. In the comments, tell us 3 personal items you always carry with you. Example: I always carry my phone, my keys, and my wallet. I never leave home without my phone, my bag, and my sunglasses. Share what is in your pockets or bag right now. In Lesson 28, we review everything from Week 4. Lessons 22 through 27. Common verbs, action verbs, time expressions, family vocabulary, and personal objects. We will practice combining everything, but today you learn personal objects and technology vocabulary. The things you carry, the things you use, the things you sometimes lose. Now you can talk about your stuff. You can say what you need, what you are looking for, what you forgot. Practice naming objects as you use them. Every time you pick up your phone, say it. I am picking up my phone. I am putting my keys in my bag. I am charging my laptop. Make it automatic. See you tomorrow for our week review. Meow.